Hey guys, welcome back to Vicariously Vintage Acres. Today we are making my absolute favorite salad dressing. It is zesty cilantro lime salad dressing. This stuff is also amazing if you marinate your chicken in it overnight or in the morning until the evening and then grill. It's just superb. So we're going to get right to it, and I hope you try this and I hope you love it. So first of all, what we're going to do is I got a big bunch of cilantro. They come in the bags at Aldi, but you can just get a regular bunch of cilantro. I did try to clean this out because I've had it for almost a week, and you know store-bought produce just does not last. I did not get the coleslaw made because when I opened it, even though it was only one day past the Best By date, it was pretty nasty and gross and rotten. And this is why I try to raise my own food, and as you know, this year it just has not worked out that well. So anyway, it's not going down very far, so I'm just going to start here. I did grow the jalapenos. They are super spicy. So that was, like I said, one bunch or one bag of cilantro. This is the equivalent to one jalapeno. Like I said, I grew this, but I had a deer lop off the tops of two of my plants, so they're immature. But let me tell you, I cut one open and licked it, and it lit me on fire. So I love homemade food. So we've got the equivalent to one jalapeno in here. I have 5 garlic cloves. Use as much or as little as you like. Garlic is one of those things you just feel. The juice of 2 limes, which is about 3 to 4 tablespoons. And we're going to add in a couple of multi-finger pinches of salt, and we can go back and try that when we're done to see how that tastes. I've got 2/3 of a cup of oil. Now I have actually mixed avocado oil and a light tasting or extra light olive oil. That way it lends very little flavor to the finished product. That's just what we prefer. If you like the taste of the olive oil that, you know, is very pungent, then by all means use that up. Okay, so that's about all I'm going to be able to get in there for now. So I'm going to pop the lid on it and get it blending. Okay guys, so I don't know how much of that you were able to catch, since I am putting this, or going to put this on the fast speed so you don't have to sit through the blenderizing of this. But I went ahead and added about 1/3 of a cup more of olive oil and the rest of my cilantro, just to get it into that more liquid form. So I'm going to bring this closer so that you can hopefully see this, but it is really yummy. It's it's chunky dressing, so don't expect something really smooth like a regular ranch dressing or what have you. But again, this is a great marinade, and you know, you probably don't have to stick to just chicken. It would probably be good on pork and beef as well. But it's just amazing. Every time I go somewhere, like when we do a salad in a jar party, or if I take a salad to a gathering, I take this, and it is always a hit, and everybody is always asking for the recipe. Look at that, isn't that beautiful? Again, I hope you'll try this. I hope you'll let me know what you think about it, and I really appreciate you watching. God bless. We'll see you next time.